Want to make money on YouTube but don't want to show your face? Good news. YouTube automation can help you create a profitable channel without ever stepping in front of a camera. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start a faceless YouTube channel, the best niches to make money, and how to fully automate the process so you can earn passive income. Stick around because I'll also share my secret Kamkako toolkit for YouTube automation at the end. YouTube automation is when you create and run a YouTube channel without appearing on camera. Instead of filming yourself, you use tools or hire freelancers to create content for you. Think of it like a mini online business where videos work for you 24/7, earning money through asterisks, ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing asterisks. Ever watch those top 10 or motivational videos with just text and a voiceover? Those are faceless YouTube automation channels. Not all YouTube niches are profitable. Here are the best ones that can earn thousands per month. 1. Finance and investing, high CPM, stock market, crypto, personal finance, making money online. Second, tech and gadgets, AI tools, software reviews, and latest gadgets. Third, motivational and self-improvement, inspirational quotes, billionaire success stories. 4, luxury and business, luxury cars, jet tours. High income viewers equals higher ad revenue. 5, tutorials and how-tos, Canva tips, AI tools, and software guides. These niches pay well because advertisers spend more money on finance, tech, and business-related content. Now, let's walk through the exact steps followed to launch your faceless YouTube channel. Choose one from the best niches I just shared. Use Google Trends, YouTube search, and vidIQ. For example, search for best side hustles in 2025 and see popular results. Use ChatGPT to generate a full script in seconds. Example, write a YouTube script for top 5 AI tools to make money in 2025. Tools you can use, no camera needed. Pictory.ai converts text to video. InVideo creates faceless videos with stock footage. Canva for thumbnails and animations. 11 Labs, AI-generated voiceovers. These tools let you create professional YouTube videos without filming anything. Title, use keywords like how to make money with AI tools in 2025. Description, add a summary plus affiliate links. Tags, use keywords like make money online and YouTube automation. Post 2 to 3 videos per week to grow fast. Monetization strategies are YouTube ad revenue after 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. Affiliate marketing, earn commissions from product links. Brand sponsorships, help other companies pay you to mention them. Let's look at some real faceless YouTube channels making big money. Motivation Madness, 2 million plus subscribers making $30,000 plus per month. Tech Zone, no face, just AI voiceovers, earns $20,000 per month. Top 10s, 500,000 plus subscribers earning from paid ads and sponsors. Now here's my personal toolkit to help you succeed faster. Best free tools, ChatGPT, script writing, Canva, thumbnails, vidIQ, SEO optimization. Best paid tools, Pictory.ai, video creation. 11 Labs, or AI voiceover. InVideo, stock footage. I've added the links to these tools in the description. Now I want to hear from you. Which faceless YouTube niche are you going to start? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more passive income tips. And if you want a full step-by-step guide, I say on YouTube automation, check out my next video here. This script keeps your audience engaged, informed, and ready to take action. Want me to tweak anything for your personal style?